Hello guys and welcome back to the Wait, does this work? I'm not looking at the camera for some reason. I can't. This is just okay. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing another video, and today we are going to be looking at the most satisfying videos ever, but that's later in the video. Right now in the video we are going to be watching slime for beginners. So if you're a slime beginner watching this video, please carry on watching this video. You probably don't know this, but I am a brilliant slime maker. I've got my own slime shed that I do not make videos in, but I'll start a wall if you want me to. If this video gets over 5 likes, I will start recording in my slime shed. So guys, I will meet you later when I am in the mood for slime videos. So bye. Okay, we're back. We're back in my room. I'll just sit down now. I need to get in the right position, guys. Okay, don't blame me. Okay, you cannot see that, so I'm gonna have to stand all the way over here. I'll just start it. That's just a minute. Focus. I think this is slimes for beginners. Okay, I do should have done that. What? Okay. Fail. Okay, so we're changing the subject of the video. So I have made some slimes today. Lily has got a bit of my slime. I'll show you these slimes. My bestest slime I've got is this yellow slime with yellow food colouring in it, which I think turned out pretty good. Sometimes it can rotten, according to my friends, but I don't think it'll rotten, so it's fine. So I will put the pop socket down on my thing. Actually, okay. So here is my slime. It's really cool to play with. You're probably thinking, Oliver, it's Play-Doh. It's not Play-Doh. So shut your gob if you're thinking it's Play-Doh, because it's not. And you can poke in it and everything. It's so cool to play with. And you can stretch it, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, that's one slime. We've got this one with orange food colouring. This one was kind of a fail, but I made it into something. Oops, I dropped it, guys. Get back here. Okay. I got it back. So you can poke it. It just crunches up sometimes, but I don't really care. So that's one side. My last slime is this one with blue food colouring. Oops, some bits fell off this one for some reason. So yeah, same with all the others. You can poke it you can do that, and I'll try and stretch it. Why can't, okay. Hello there. I'm looking at the camera. Okay, I'm looking at you guys now. I don't know. I know the camera's right there. Here. But for some reason it won't let me look at it, so I don't know. So, oh my god. Where's the other slime? Yep, that's that slime. Then all my slimes, guys. I'll do a part 2 for this. I'll get... Okay, I've had enough of that. If you want me to do a part 2 of this, well, here's your box. Oh, actually, there's one more slime. Let me do one more slime. Actually, guys, I think I should put... Right, stay there. Yeah, oops! I nearly killed my phone. I need to take my pop socket off now. Okay. Sorry for that interruption. So. No. Okay, guys. I think this is broken. Not my phone, my, okay. No, are you kidding me? I spent loads of money on this, okay. So, these are all the slimes I showed you. And then there's one last slime.